Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Alt text in PowerPoint is a text description of a slide's picture that helps improve user accessibility. Alt text in PowerPoint is greatly improved in PowerPoint 2019 and PowerPoint for Office 365. PowerPoint now automatically generates alt text for pictures you insert from your local computer into your document. To view the alt text for a selected picture, click the Alt Text button in the Accessibility button group on the Picture Format Contextual tab of the ribbon to open the Alt Text pane at the right side of the window. The current alt text description appears within the large white text box in the Alt Text pane. To try and automatically generate a description of the picture if no description is yet entered, click the Generate a Description for Me button in this pane. This button only appears when there is no text entered into this text box, so you can also delete the text in this text box if needed, and then click the button after it appears again to attempt to automatically create a description. Alternatively, to type your own alt text description, click into the large white text box and type a simple description of the picture. If the picture is purely decorative, you can skip the description and instead check the Mark as Decorative checkbox to not distract the reader. To close the alt text pane, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.